Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today is October 30th, 2018, and Apple just dropped up their keynote with the new iPads and the new Macs and updates to those lines. They also announced that iOS 12.1 would be coming out today, and I wanted to answer the question of should I update to iOS 12.1? I know a lot of people are looking for reviews and stuff like that when new operating systems come out to make sure it's safe to upgrade and see if any widespread issues that may exist. So I've been running the iOS 12.1 beta since it came out, since beta 1. This is the last version of the beta, so I don't know if this is a GM, if they did a GM, or if there will be an additional update when it rolls out to everybody. So this is the final beta right here. Before that, so we may see, we're not going to see any changes, but you may get a different build number or something like that from what I have here, because I am on the beta program. But first things first is, should you upgrade? And I want to say yes to that. iOS 12.1 has been very stable. We haven't seen a lot of the issues that we saw when iOS 12 rolled out to everybody, such as the charging issues and the LTE issues. This patches all that. I know iOS 12.0.1 patched that, but this finalizes all that kind of stuff and gives you the feature updates as well. We see 70 new emojis in iOS 12.1. Group FaceTime has been added, so you can FaceTime with up to 32 people. Which is a really nice feature if you do a lot of conference calling and stuff like that. You can use FaceTime. One of the biggest features that we are seeing in iOS 12.1 is the eSIM support. So eSIM is supported in iOS 12.1. When you will be able to use that exactly is going to depend on the carrier you have. I haven't seen any information from any of the carriers yet of them officially supporting eSIM upon the rollout of 12.1. I know T-Mobile, Verizon, and AT&T are all official partners with Apple on the eSIM support, so they will be supporting it, but I don't know if they're going to be supporting it from day one of iOS 12.1. But the feature is in here, so if you do find a carrier that supports it, your phone is ready to go. And this applies to the iPhone XS, XS Max, and iPhone XR. You won't find this feature if you're on an iPhone 10, an iPhone 8 or lower. This is going to be the 2018 model of iPhones only. So that is that. Face ID, everything's working great. I haven't really seen any bugs. I haven't had any app crashes or anything crazy like that. Really nice update. Adds a couple new features, but it doesn't overdo it. They really focused on the stability and stuff like that of iOS 12. So I do recommend that you upgrade. You do get the security patches and the latest security stuff. You get those new features, and you get that eSIM support, which I know a lot of people were really looking forward to. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments section below. And as always, have a great day.